Welcome all. If you wonder how to display drawer icon on Amiga operating system 1, just check this. Let's say we have copied the ASM1 content inside our hard disk. However, we cannot see any drawer icon. So what we want to do is to go to the Amiga shell and you will see a file list named the info that is just the icon information. So we want to copy devs.info to our hard disk content with the same name of the drawer we want to have the icon with suffixes.info. Now go back to the hard disk. We can finally see the drawer's icon. That's it.